Hello guys, welcome to Ramtel Solutions. Welcome to your lesson on trigonometry. Today we are looking at application of your sine, cosine and area rule. So without any waste of time, let's look at the first question. Given this object here or the figure here, it says determine the value of cos theta. So in this triangle, we can see that we are given all sides and an angle. By virtue of being given all sides and the fact that the question says cos theta, we have no alternative but to jump straight into using cosine rule. Okay, so let's get into it. So we know cosine rule says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared plus, minus 2bc cos angle A. Okay, it's up to you to continue with it like this or to basically write it using PQ, QR and PR. It's up to you. Okay, so I prefer writing it in that way, where we will say, remember this one, it's a standard, so I prefer to say PQ squared is equal to PR squared, right, plus QR squared minus 2 into PR times QR cos the angle given, the angle opposite side PQ is angle R. Okay, so cos angle R. This is how I prefer to use it, but even if you use this one, it's still okay. All right, so we are told that PQ is Y. Can you see that? It is Y and the other sides are 2Y. So we have Y but squared. We have 2Y but squared. We have 2Y but squared. And then we have, again, it's the same thing, 2Y and 2Y. Now, angle R is theta. So we will, in place of angle R, we will put theta. Okay? So what do we have? Y squared equals 4y squared plus 4y squared minus 2 times 2y is 4y. 4y times 2y is 8y squared cos theta. Therefore, we have 8y squared cos theta equals 4y squared plus 4y squared minus y squared. Therefore, 8y squared cos theta equals 4y squared plus 4y squared minus y squared is 7y squared. Dividing by 8y squared throughout, we will have, let me see, dividing by 8y squared throughout, we will have cos theta equals 7y squared over 8y squared. So I will leave this as 7 over 8. It's up to you if you want to convert it to a decimal. I think it'll be, might be 0.875. I don't know, 7 over 8. Okay. Yes, you can leave it here or you can leave it as 0.875. It's okay. All right. You won't be penalized for it. It's okay. All right. So this is it. This is our cos theta. Now, let us look at the second question. The second question says, if QR cuts the circumference of the circle at T, determine PT in terms of Y and theta. This is line QR. It cuts the circumference at T. Oh, this point here must be T. Okay. Now, if this point is T, okay, let me see. Okay. Can you see that? So they say we must determine PT. Now this is PT. Can you see it? This is PT. So from your Euclidean geometry theorems. There's a theorem, I think it's theorem 4, which says angle in a semicircle, right? So what we are seeing that remember the angle subtended by PR at the center, as you can see, angle here is 180 degrees. And then the angle subtended by PR at the circumference, we don't know it as yet. But that theorem said the angle subtended by a chord at the center is twice the angle subtended by an arc, not a chord. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is 2 times the angle subtended by the very same arc at the circumference. If this, as you can see, it's a straight line. If this is 180 degrees, this must be half of that 180 degrees, i.e. it must be 90 degrees, right? So let's answer this number 2. So number 2, we are saying, I'm gonna call it triangle PTR. So triangle angle PTR is equal to 90 degrees. So reason being, angle in a semicircle. That's the theorem we are using. Otherwise, others say angle subtended by a diameter. It's still okay to say that angle subtended by a diameter. It's still okay. Okay. So having said that, we have seen that angle PTR is 90 degrees. So we are looking for PT. This is side PT. If I'm looking for side PT and I have angle theta here, and I'm also given a side here, this side, when you look at it, because this is a right angle, it's opposite the right angle, it will be the hypotenuse. So if I'm looking for PT, it means I will be using sine, because PT is opposite the angle. Okay, PT and PR. So we are saying sine theta will be PT over PR. Let's go. So by the way, in triangle, let me sort it out, in triangle PTR. So in triangle PTR, I'm going to say sine theta is equal to PT over PR. So sine theta equals, what is PT? I do not know. What is what is RT? Is it RT? No, man. It's PR. PT and PR. Let me fix that. It's PR. Okay, it's PR. Okay, it's PR. I'm sorry about that. It's PR. So what is PR? It is 2y. Let's go back to check it. It's 2y. Can you see that? PR is 2y. All right. So, therefore, PT is equal to 2y sine theta. As simple as that, we are done. This is how you answer this question. Okay? This is how you answer this question. All right, guys? That's a wrap. So, see you next time and bye-bye.